Okay, so we have an error, a fatal error. What happened? All right. In this case, something went wrong somewhere, but what? Let's take it apart. All right, so we've got a fatal error here, and it says action number one. Okay, cool. So, action number one. Wonder what that means. Then we got a key press event space key. Then for object spaceship, variable object blah 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 blah. Okay, cool. Was not set before reading it. And we have a whole bunch of other blah 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 blah. Okay, at object spaceship key press thingy. Just bring it all down so we can take it apart. All right. Well, I recognize object obj spaceship. That's for sure. So we can come back here, obj spaceship. Okay. So what's next? We have a key press event, space. All right, let's find that. Oh, we got key press, space. So we're already there. All right. And then variable object, what does this mean? Not set before reading it. I don't think we declared a variable there, did we? Oh, we have missiles fired. I don't think that's what it was it? Let's go look. Nope, it's object missile. Hmm, oops. Well, object spaceship. And we have our key press space. We found that. Then we have this quizzical little critter right here. And this one. This one is kind of the same thing as this one. So we could set them up like this. Kind of repeating itself. Alright. Then we've got this critter. Whatever this means. I don't think we set any variable to do that, but it could just be how it's saying it. So let's just ignore the variable part. Then we have object ship, and then we have object missile. Okay, what's wrong with that? Well, object missile, it's trying to create this instance of an object. And our missile object's right here, but the name is different if you look at it carefully. I've got two L's over here. Now if I remove one, then we have two objects right here, and it should be able to create that. Click play and try it out. So when I fire, it works. Yay! So that's what that error is about. And that's how you can take it apart. You know, you just go back through it. This is the first thing that happens in this event. You could look at that too if you really wanted to. Put that over here, like that. First thing that happens. Then we already know it's a spaceship. So the only other thing that could be there would be there. So this is what I would guess would be the problem if I had to go back and look at it from this same big thing right here. Because every time it runs the whole drag and drop program, remember when you first start the thing right here, new project, it asks you if you want drag and drop or the regular one. Whoa, sorry, the regular drag and drop or the other one. My gamemaker is being weird. Okay. And now if you go to new, you have your gamemaker language or drag and drop. Even though we're using only drag and drop in this one, every time you go to click run, it's going to go ahead and convert it all over to its own gamemaker language. So, just for example, I mean, there's no reason to do it really besides this. This is where we was just a second ago. Over here on spaceship, keys press, blah, 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 blah. And if we went and converted it to GML, this is what it reads. Instance create layer object missile. Now if we compare it to this error, just for giggles, bloop, does that look familiar? Right there. This is what it's supposed to look like, and that's what it looks like there. And that's what it's reading. And that's why it goes and puts it just like that and makes it all convoluted like that. But that's okay. I mean, we can convert it pretty easily if we just take it apart and go down to like this. But those errors will pop up and look all funky like that. Okay, later.